YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, outer Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. I will show you. So friends, let's start today video. Viewers, looking for unique and friendly Christmas table decoration to every year. We are turning ordinary glass bottle into stunning Christmas centerpiece that look like expensive store decoration. A snow water candle holder. Take a empty glass bottle, spray it with white forest paint or glue, salt for a snow effect, add a ribbon and a little pins leaves and place a candles on top. It instantly give a winter wonder look. Wipe to your dining table, wine bottle, fairy lights. Friends, fill a clear bottle with battery fairy lights and decorate the neck with bow or mini ornaments. When the lights turn on it, create a warm magical glow perfect for evening Christmas dinners. Spray paint golden bottle was. Spray paint a bottle golden, red and green instead. Christmas flowers of beans, branches or candy. Place 3 and 5 bottles together for a beautiful centerpiece arrangement. Viewers, and not long bottle centerpiece, turn a bottle upside down and fix the small Christmas tree or mini gifts box inside.